Welcome to Tuesday's Tinley Park Cruise Night. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Hello, my name is Bob Starzik. I'm the owner of this 1948 Super Retro Rod. It's called a 1948 Buick Sedan Met. It's been retro rodded. It has a 93 Roadmaster motor and trans in it, and a rear end out of a 78 Nova. There are no body modifications to the car except for the one Frenched in for the power antenna, but basically this is the way the car, all the body metalwork is from the way it was from the factory, no chopping or anything. The car only weighs about 4,200 pounds. Everybody thinks they're very heavy, but they're not because they're just stamped metal. The cars nowadays have frames and structures to them, and they actually weigh more. All the gauges on end there have been retrofitted from 6 volt over to 12 volt. Even the radio's been redone to 12 volt with an AM FM in there. The seats are original to the car. They've just been reupholstered to this configuration. The car was built in California about 12 years ago. Currently has 24,000 miles on it. Rides nice, 70 miles an hour on the expressway with the air conditioning going is fine. I was looking to build one, and a friend of mine had this car for years. He's in the Buick Club, and he heard I was building it, and he came up to me and he cut his price down, $16,000, and I could not pass it up. It's two-tone green, which is the two colors of 1948, and basically it's looked just like a 48 except for the few modifications to the drivetrain. It's you have to use your mirrors, basically. I mean, it's a good car to drive. I have no problem with it. I used to drive trucks for a living, so there's never any problems. I've got 5 Buicks right now. I've got 56 special convertible, a 60 Electra 225, which is very rare. My wife has a 90 Miata convertible, and I have a 91 Woody wagon. That's my next level. The guy didn't do the hood compartment the right way, but under the hood, it'll be redone to the way I would want to do it. But the car does not look good with the hood open, I don't think. It looks better with the hood down. I mean, I want to take the colors of the car and bring them into the engine compartment to finish it off and hide all the wiring, which it should have been done in the first place. But it's been on the road for a few years. It needs to be redone a little bit here and there. From 1942 all the way to 1950. And that was the thing for Buick. You could open up on either side. You could take the hood off. Yes. It's a 93 Roadmaster motor. It's a Chevy 350 LT1 motor with the 700R trans. 20 miles to the gallon on the highway with the air conditioning cranking.
That's radio.
Yeah. Oh, thank you for watching. Thank you for showing my car. I do appreciate it.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.